Now on our WTI crude oil for the day, as you can see, we've actually had a good amount of fall. I think throughout last week, we actually had an amount of fall, and the day before yesterday, we actually had a bullish move. Yesterday we actually closed bullish, and now we're actually having a red move. As you can see, it would be highlighting as a pullback and a continued bearish move on our WTI crude oil, because our price is still below our 10-period moving average, and there's every possibility we'll still be going bullish by the way, and bearish by the way. So we probably want to be seeing a fall for today on our WTI crude oil. I believe our WTI crude oil will actually be falling, because there is no indication that our WTI crude oil wants to reverse or wants to start going bullish. That is on our daily time frame. So we've highlighted there one key level here where our price can actually break below. So we would want to wait for our crude oil to actually break it like 105. We are currently trading at 107. As you can see, it's 107.65. If our price can actually hit 105.05, then I will be taking a sell position downward. Then I will believe it is actually a confirmation we are still selling, as there's every possibility that our price can actually change its movement and continue going up, but there is no indication for it yet. But we can actually see it as a rejection here, as our price has actually reacted to this our area here. So there's every possibility we actually see a bullish move, but to confirm, let's wait to our price to hit 105. Since we are currently at 107, then we can actually now take our sell position straight to our 99 or 98 downward on our WTI. Now on our 4-hour time frame, see the same thing. Our price is below our 10-period moving average, which is an indication to actually take a sell position. And as we've planned it before, we'll still be waiting for our price to hit our 105 in order for us to actually sell our WTI crude oil for the day. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you find this video helpful.